Ever landed in Tokyo late at night and just wish your hotel was 5 minutes away? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Dashing Adventures. And for today's video, we're taking you inside Mercure Tokyo Haneda Airport. This is perfect for date night arrivals, early departures, or anyone who wants comfort and convenience right next to the runway. We arrive at Haneda Airport Terminal 3 about 9 p.m. And after completing immigration and other process, nakalabas kami ng airport almost 10 p.m. na. And from Terminal 3, we have to go to Terminal 1 kasi nandun yung free shuttle bus ng Mercure Hotel. Buti na lang, meron ding shuttle bus service ang Haneda Airport from Terminal 3 going to Terminal 1. So wala kaming binayaran. When we arrive at Terminal 1, hindi pa schedule ng shuttle service, so we decided to have a quick bite sa Lawson. Outside the arrival hall of Terminal 1, you just have to cross the street and go to bus stop number 9 and number 10. Nandito na yung bus terminal ng hotels. Meron din kayo makikita na printed schedule ng mga shuttle service ng mga hotels. So you can see kung ano schedule yung next arrival ng shuttle service ng Mercure Hotel. And meron din namang logo yung bus nila kaya madaling makita. The travel time from the airport to the hotel is approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Sobrang convenient ito para sa amin because you don't need to worry about taking a taxi or complicated directions. In just 10 to 15 minutes, nakarating na kami sa hotel and we were able to check in and rest. Now let's talk about the check-in process. As soon as you walk in, you will be welcomed by a modern and clean lobby with a relaxed atmosphere. Exactly what you need after a long flight. The front desk and other staffs are very friendly and professional. They are both speaking Japanese and English, which made the process super easy. The check-in process is smooth and fast. I just showed our passport, the confirmed booking, and we're given our key cards in just few minutes. By the way, this hotel is an Accor member, so we were given a priority check-in and also an upgrade on the room. But don't worry, if you're not an Accor Plus member, you can still score the hotel room on a discounted rate when you book through Klook and use my discount code KLOOKHECKLE to get additional 5% off. The hallway is clean, quiet, and really well lit. And there are also clear signage everywhere, so it's easy to find your room. And now, let's have a quick room tour. So upon entering, it's like a typical Japanese rooms wherein kailangan yung tanggalin yung shoes nyo before entering. And inside, there is a provided closet where you can hang your clothes and meron din sila ditong linen spray para mag-stay fresh yung inyong mga coat. Meron na din sila ditong provided na in-room sleepers. And on the other side naman is the comfort room. Separate yung kanilang toilet and bath dito. However, it's a little bit surprising kasi dito sa hotel na to, they don't have a bathtub which is typical sa mga Japanese hotels na napagstayan namin. The usual shower lang yung meron dito. But good thing they still have the Japanese toilet na automatic. They also have the sink and the vanity mirror. Provided din lahat ng towels from face towel, bath towels, and even the toiletries like lotions and hand wash. Meron ditong 2 queen-size beds na perfect for a family of 4 like us. Meron na din ditong smart TV, coffee table na pwede nyo din gamitin for dining, air purifier, Nespresso machine, and bottled waters. Inside the cabinet, you'll find the electric kettle. Nandito din yung coffee capsules, yung different tea, at saka yung coffee mug at glasses. May provided din sila ng mini fridge na merong mga welcome drinks inside. Lahat na makikita nyo dito are all free for us since we are an Accor Plus Platinum member. Under the fridge, makikita ninyo yung safe where you can keep all your important things. Ang convenient din na location ng kanilang controls for the lights kasi nasa may bedside table lang siya. Andito naman ang view ng aming room. Included na din yung breakfast sa aming room reservation na sinaserve sa first floor restaurant from 6 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. May wide variety of food choices sa breakfast buffet. From fruits, salads, may pastries and drinks. Meron din namang mga rice meals. It's a great way to start your day in Japan. Super convenient din ang location nito if you want to explore Tokyo. Meron kasing nearby na train station which is Otori Station. Meron din sila ditong foosball table that you can play with while killing the time. Meron ding mga restaurants and convenience store na walking distance lang from here. Another thing na nagustuhan namin sa hotel na to is that they have a Yamato service. Every time kasi na magta-travel kami sa Japan, we always go to different cities or prefecture. And it will be very hard kung dala-dala namin lahat ng bagahe namin. So, it's very favorable if merong Yamato service ang hotel. We will make a separate vlog about how we use Yamato service. Unfortunately, wala silang coin laundry dito, which is very important for us. Pero meron kaming nakita na nearby coin laundry where we can wash our clothes. The total cost of our stay in this hotel is 19,500. That's already for 4 days and 3 nights for 4 adults. So roughly around 1,600 lang per person per night. And that's a wrap on our stay here at Mercure Tokyo Haneda Airport. Whether you're landing late, flying out early, or just need a comfy spot near the airport, this place honestly ticks all the boxes. It's clean, modern, super close to the terminals, and that free shuttle, total lifesaver. We love everything from the friendly staff, the check-in process, and the amenities of this hotel. Thank you for joining us in this adventure, and I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Kurtashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till our next adventure!